Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a very beautiful English story. That is A Rose in the Garden. This is a very beautiful story, so do not skip the video. Try to watch the entire video and there is a moral of the story at the end. So let's get started. In a quiet picturesque village nestled beside a shimmering lake, there was a beautiful garden known to everyone as the secret garden. The garden, full of lush flowers and fragrant trees, was tended to by a kind young woman named Clara. She had inherited the garden from her grandmother, who had loved flowers more than anything in the world. Clara, with her gentle hands and tender heart, took great care of the plants, especially one, an extraordinary rose bush that had bloomed in the center of the garden for generations. The rose, with its soft pink petals and a delicate fragrance, was said to be a symbol of pure love. One summer evening, a young man named Thomas arrived in the village. He was a traveling artist seeking inspiration for his paintings. The moment he saw the garden from a distance, he felt an undeniable pull towards it. He wandered through the village asking for directions and eventually found his way to the garden gate. Clara was inside, tending to the roses, her golden hair catching the light of the setting sun. Hello, Thomas called gently, his voice catching her attention. I am new to the village and I could not help but notice your garden from afar. It's beautiful, Thomas said, his gaze fixed on the rose bush at the heart of the garden. I am an artist and I wonder if I could paint it. I feel like there's something special about that rose. Clara's heart fluttered. This rose has been in my family for generations. It's said to represent love, true, pure love. It would be honored if you would paint it. Thomas smiled, enchanted by both the garden and Clara's gentle spirit. I believe it will inspire me more than anything I have seen before. For the next few days, Thomas returned to the garden every morning to paint the rose. He often found Clara nearby, tending to the flowers, her hands graceful as she worked. Over time, they began to talk, sharing stories and dreams. Clara spoke of her childhood spent in the garden, of the love her grandmother had shown her, and of her desire to continue caring for the flowers that had brought so much beauty to her life. Thomas shared his own passion for art, his struggles to find meaning in his work, and his hope that one day he could paint something that would touch people's hearts. The connection between them grew with each passing day. Thomas admired Clara's quiet strength and the way she nurtured not just the flowers but the people around her. Clara, in turn, was drawn to Thomas' passion and the way he saw the world through his art. One afternoon, as the sun dipped below the horizon and the garden was bathed in a golden glow, Thomas looked up from his canvas and caught Clara's gaze. There's something magical about this place, he said softly, his voice full of emotions. But I think it's you that makes it truly beautiful. Clara felt her heart race. She had known for some time that her feelings for Thomas had deepened, but hearing him speak so openly made her realize that she too had fallen in love with him. I think it's the love in the garden that makes everything bloom, Clara replied, her voice tender, just like how love, when it's cared for, can bloom in the heart. In that moment, Thomas stepped closer, his heart full of emotion. Clara, I never thought I would find something so real in this world, but I found it here with you. Clara smiled, a warmth spreading through her. I feel the same way. They stood there for a moment, both surrounded by the soft scent of roses and the warmth of their shared feelings. The love they had nurtured for each other bloomed like the rose in the garden, slowly, naturally, and beautifully. As weeks passed, their love grew stronger, like the rose bush that thrived under Clara's care. Thomas' paintings of the rose became his masterpiece, capturing not just the beauty of the flower, but the love that has grown in the garden and in his heart. Eventually, Thomas decided to stay in the village, choosing to live a life filled with love, art, and the beauty of Clara's garden. The two of them continued to care for the flowers together, and the garden, with its roses and blossoms, became a symbol of their love. A love that was patient, gentle, and enduring. Here is a moral of the story. Love, like a rose, needs care and attention to flourish. When we nurture love with kindness, patience, and trust, it grows and blossoms in the most beautiful ways. True love doesn't happen instantly, it blooms over time, strengthened by the small, thoughtful actions we take every day. I hope you like this story, and these stories are very helpful for the English beginners and those who are trying to read English, and it's very very interesting stories. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.